Hi everyone, my name is Nathan Jaffe and I'm with DCS Appliances. I'm here today at Perch Mission Viejo and I'm very happy to be here today to talk to you about our beautiful line of appliances. The first thing that I wanted to discuss is our 36-inch professional grill. So what really differentiates us from the competition is our grease management system. So these grates, they're cast iron covered with stainless steel. They're dual-sided, one side for your red meat and the other side for delicate white fish. When this is in place, the grease off the meat will glide down these racks into a reservoir below. And then what you have here is all the oil is going to come out here. You can clean this out and it's really convenient. And this is also something that differentiates us from the competition. These ceramic rods are fabulous for eliminating all kinds of flare-ups. You know, everyone else uses a briquette design, where this is a more efficient way of eliminating all types of flare-ups. We introduced a new model this year. It's our sear burner model. And over here to the left, it's going to be always here on your left, we have a dual rail sear. Say you want to sear your meat, do a quick sear. So that's another great feature that's highlighted now on our product. Another thing that's cool is we also have, over here to the right, we have a charcoal and wood chip reservoir where you could put in charcoal and you're gonna get that nice barbecue smoke flavor, or your favorite wood chips. On all our grills, we have also a rotisserie. And rotisserie is obviously great for, you know, if you want to make a rotisserie chicken or if you have your favorite roast. Behind that is a ceramic sear burner, so that is going to directly heat the meat that's rotating around on this unit here. What we do great is we have flexibility in our grills. So we have two separate grates up here. And I mentioned earlier, we also have our roasting pans here. So this is great for roasting vegetables, or if you want to bake some bread, focaccia bread, you can do that as well. So we have a lighting system under here. We also have a light coming off the rotisserie, so you're going to have, you know, that perfect lighting and see what you're cooking here as well. The door here is an easy closed door, so it's not going to slam shut, and it's easy to open. As you can see, just with one hand, it's not too heavy. We have intuitive lighting, so as when the grill is on, you're going to see a white light down here on the controls, and as you turn the burner, it's going to turn red so you know that it's going to be on. What's also great is our interconnectivity. So when you push the light here, if you have these all connected, once you push the light on, they're all going to turn on and work with each other simultaneously that way. So now that I talked to you about the grill, I'd love to tell you all about the beautiful products we have to complement, and that is our 30-inch griddle. It's a beautiful product. It has two U-burners underneath this flat top. It's 20,000 BTUs, so plenty of power. It also has a pull-out, drip-out tray here. We also have a 30-inch warming drawer. Obviously, this is great if you're cooking something and not everything else is done, and you're able to keep some product in there that's nice and warm. Over here to my right, we have our 24-inch power burner, and that is 70,000 BTUs of raw power. Beautiful product, and it can go also down to 1,300 BTUs as well for an ultra low simmer. And if you look over here also to my right, we have our outdoor sink. This is a 24-inch sink. All made of 304 stainless steel, so it will hold up against all the like weather, corrosion. If you look over here, we also have outdoor refrigeration. So this particular unit, this is a refrigerator drawer. It has two drawers here below. This can store up to 108 cans of soda. And there's a variance of temperature control here. It can rate between 36 and 60 degrees. It's all stainless steel interior, easy clean. So now that I've covered all our products here in the display, I just wanted to remind everyone that this product is local. It was originated here in Southern California, Huntington Beach. If you want to know more about this beautiful line of products, go and see it at your local Perch. And thank you so much for your time today. I appreciate it, and have a great day.